Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Breland here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make your characters kiss and how to make their outfits change for a beat on an attractive mobile creation. So before we get started, please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after you do so. So let's get started. So kissing is very simple. Basically what we're going to do is what we're going to do is we're going to add a beat. And then you want to click on the character that you want, and then you click on this pencil button right here, and then you want to click on this layer button and move it to layer 0. And as you can see, then they'll be behind. So you see, now she moves upwards, behind, upwards, behind, upwards. So you're gonna move her to layer 1, and you're gonna make her face a rear by pressing this little button, which it changes the way she faces. So first she faces right. She faces rear right, rear left, and left. So you're gonna make her face rear. And then take your other character. You can move where they are. So I'm gonna move her right here, and then I'll move him right there. And then what you want to do is you want to have your character be kiss. So you're gonna go to the emotion icon, and then you're gonna search for kiss, like this, and then click on your other character. Click on your other character, and then have them be kiss as well. Or what you could do is you could instead move your other character. So make this character face this way, then make them face rear and be layer 1. That's much better. So that's a much better way for them to go. Very, very simple. So and that's basically it. That's basically the way it goes. It's very, very simple. It looks much better when the man is on layer 1 and facing rear, and the girl is in layer 0 facing left. Facing right. It just looks much better that way. But yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys how to make your characters change their outfits for beats. I'm gonna do some real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm all done. So now I'm going to have one of the characters say. So I'm going to have Dave say, "You look really nice today, Ramona." And then I'm going to have him be happy, and she's going to be happy as well. No, she's going to be pleased. And then I'll have her say, "Thanks, Dave. What I think I'm gonna change." Oh. Here we go. We'll just have me please as well, and then we're gonna have Dave say, "Me too." That she'll just be neutral. And now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the character that you want. I'm gonna click on Ramona. If you want to press the pencil button and then click on the shirt, and that way you can change the way they look or what they're gonna wear. So I'm just gonna change what she's gonna wear. But I'll change it to the what should I do? I have it changed to this. And you want to click done, and then I'm going to do the same with Dave. So I'll be right back after I choose the outfit. Basically it. So now I'm just gonna make this little tiny scene, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am all done. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, please like it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell app to do so, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.